Did you hit record?
Go.
We're at 5708 Riverside Drive again, and it's January, what is it, 22nd or 3rd, something like that. I think it's January 22nd on Wednesday. And we've got a new platform which Dom has built for us. It's a beautiful new platform. As you can see, it's perfectly level here, and it's made out of pure concrete on the Now, what I want you to show, go ahead, point down here, show your leveler, zoom in on it, and show that it's level, and then tell me where to put your leveler. Can you zoom in on it so you can see the level of the thing? Is that the one you're supposed to be looking at?
Right, the center one.
Okay.
And then we assume that...
Did you get it in focus so everybody can see it's level from that direction? That's what you're doing.
Right.
Okay. Now, where should I move the leveler? I'll move the leveler
to the front.
To the other side?
Just to the front.
The front over here?
Right, same way.
Okay, I moved the leveler, and now go ahead and zoom in on it again. Is it level? Basically level, bubble in the middle.
Right, we can see it.
Okay, do we want to do it this way too?
If you would like. Right. So.
Okay. Are we ready? And try it right up in this direction. Okay, theoretically this will be a vast improvement over our last drop platform. And I'm going to sing it, you keep pointing me at that thing out. Alright, you can hit record again. We're done with this section unless there's something else you need to.
Right, you can explain the screw eye and so forth.
I've already, that's long done. You can explain it if you want. Go ahead, talk. It's hearing all of our voices. We put a screw eye up in here. It's vertically measured with a bob, so it's vertical.
Yes.
Okay.
We're on.
Here we go. We're going to do our first. This is control 14, which we've done before. It's cracked, but just a little chip came off. We're just trying it as a control. It's not an official part of the experiment. We're just going to see how this thing works. Okay, we ready? Up we go. I'm up higher than one tier, right?
Yeah. Well, he's not going to be able to get that on, and
okay.
Because he has.
Put it underneath and make sure. Now I'm going to bring this down to just about your level. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Take it out. Now I want you to look and make sure I'm just about level. Am I just about level?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Check your from another point of view. Look from the other point of view. Am I level from the other point of view?
On the back a little.
Down or up?
You want to go towards
down
Dom.
or up?
You want to go up towards Dom with the back.
There. A little better?
Yeah, that's it.
1, 2, 3. Looks like we had a crack. Don, come on in with the camera and we'll look at the whole crack. Come on in, change your position. Okay. You can do this whole thing, okay? All right, excuse me. You got glasses or something for eye protection? Sunglasses. Might be a good idea to wear them in here. Okay. Come on close. You can come close and zoom from there. You can see that this thing cracked. It had cracked previously right there, but this was one that we had cracked before as a control, but it cracked completely through this time. And there's the crack in control 14. Can you see the seat 14 there?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. So that's our control. Go ahead and for this platform. Okay.
Good.
That shows the platform is an effective platform. Okay, for reflecting. Okay.
You know, the crackheads and the meth heads, they need to be locked up, but you know, that shit should be severe penalties for that. But you know, that's just the stuff like they do in Switzerland.
Yep. Here we go. We're now looking at this platform with we've added a little it's the bottom tier, and we've added a little addition here suggested by one of our board members, Hiwako. I probably said his name completely wrong. And as you can see, it's just a little rule with a millimeter edge right against the where the platform is. And we're going to take a little close up here and see if I can get close to it and see if it's gonna be possible here to look at. Oh, I'm zooming in pretty good. That was too much here. Okay. I'm kind of unsteady, but here I'm going to zoom in on that. Okay, do we have a straight edge, somebody? I'm not holding this very steady at all.
Yeah, put that roller across there.
Or maybe that little, just that little wood thing that we were using might work, because it's light. All right.
That's not
We'll
very
see where we're
straight.
going.
It's not straight?
No, this would be better.
It's going to put it right across there.
This would be better if you could just.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so we'll just, now Dom says that it's better to use the bottom, which it probably is, but since we can set this thing on top,
Yeah.
we'll set it on top, and we can do that with a weight probably too. Okay, so here it is. And you can see where it is. Now we're going to put a, say a 25-pound weight on it, okay? And you can see it's somewhere between 11 and 12 there. Okay, off we go. Alrighty. And here we are with 25 pounds up on this thing now. And there we may have moved down a few millimeters, as you can see, with our leveler, okay?
Reads almost 11.
Yeah, almost 11, but it was closer to 11 and a half before. That's not in focus there, but I'm going to try to get it in focus. There, that's pretty much in focus. Okay, so now let's get the 50-pound weight and put it on there, and I'll turn this off. Okay, good enough for government work.
It's like camping,
All right.
but now
All
you
right,
don't
time
have
Here we
to.
go. Okay, now here we've just put the 50 up on top. Here I'm getting that. That says 25 kilograms or something like that, but it's 50 pounds exactly.
Compressed it down about
Same
4.
50 pounds.
So we're at about 10.6 now.
Okay, so
4.
let me just get that if I can.
Almost
Okay.
a half a centimeter down. So we're picking up about a half a centimeter compared to what we had with the 25 pound.
Okay.
Is that right?
There it is. And that's with 50 pounds. Now let's go ahead and get the 25-pound weight and put it on top of that. And we can just leave this thing here if you want, unless there's some reason not to.
I just don't want it to drop.
Right.
Why don't you just hold it temporarily and then.
Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and put this thing back on. Is that about where it was? All right, there we go. And now we have 75 pounds, and we're, okay.
Yeah, I dropped it down about another 3.
It's less than half a centimeter, I know.
Right.
All right.
Right,
There we
so
go.
so it's
That's
about-
2 hands. I'm a lot steadier
Right,
with 2
that
hands.
dropped it down about 2 centimeters now.
Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch. Just let it be for a second here while I get it on the film. Okay, do you think we need to go to 100 pounds? I'm a little scared to put 100 pounds on this goofy tower.
Man, I'll tell you what. If it takes another 25 pounds, it's a stout motherfucker, I'm telling you. I'm sorry, I didn't find these were wrong. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We can hear you curse on the internet, Craig. All right, men.
Just
That's
my
good.
observation.